Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our beautiful color factory. As has become our tradition, we invite you to come up now to get a picture of your child if you would like to. And then after you do that, we do ask that all phones be kept down at eye level so that they don't get in the way of people sitting behind you. So come on up. Thank you so much. We are going to be getting started in just a moment. There are a couple announcements that I'd like to make, and I will repeat them at the end of the concert as well. If you would please help us after the concert to fold up chairs and stack them against the wall, that would be a great service to our hardworking custodians. And secondly, we have a lot of clothes in our lost and found. So after you have folded your chair and stacked it, we hope you will stop by our lunchroom, go out this door or this door, head north and turn across from the library. In the lunchroom, all of those clothes that have been found over the course of the year and not yet retrieved are set out for you to look at and see if you find something that belongs to your child. All right. Kindergartners, listen to how quiet our audience is. Kindergartners, listen to how quiet our audience is. They are ready for the music. Can you hear how quiet it is? Moms, dads, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, friends, neighbors, you are in for a treat. We had a wonderful time this afternoon. Our color factory is about to come to life in beautiful music. And let's give a round of applause to our music teacher, Mr. Pollock, for bringing it all together.
Good evening and welcome to the kindergarten concerts. These students have been working very hard on this show since February. So those of you who are at dance night, we finished up that unit and we jumped right into kindergarten concerts. The concert tells the story about workers in a factory who mix colors all day and start to feel bored and tired. Don't they look good for factory workers? They learn that by mixing colors and working together, they can make many new colors and have even more fun. In the end, everyone feels happy because teamwork makes everything better. Before we begin, I'd like to give a special thank you to our administration, Mrs. Luker and Mrs. Roshager, to Mr. John recording in the back. This will be posted to our private district YouTube channel after this for families who couldn't come. And to the kindergarten team up front, can we have a round of applause for these teachers? Lastly, I'd like to give a big thank you to my specials team and Mrs. Rayling, who does a lot of the technicalities with these concerts, letting you guys in. Yes, Mrs. Rayling. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the Color Factory.
Who work long and hard to please you and me.
I'm tired of mixing and pouring all day. I want to change and I want to run away.
What we all need is a change of the sea. What does it
love red, yellow, and blue, but there are many colors too. Mix them up, and when you're done, you're ready to have fun. Wow, it was going along so fine, but there's so many colors in them. No one had noticed that black and white were really quite lonely and left out alright. Well, we're okay, but now we have found that working together is the best thing ever. I'm so glad to see you working this way, and there's more laughter and more fun every day. They were not quite the same, yellow, red, and blue. They got better at their jobs to balancing quickly.
It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. A beautiful rainbow in the sky. A beautiful rainbow in the sky.
Let's hear one more time for our factory workers. Our kindergarten. Let's go color by color. Reds in Miss Williams, take a bow. Oranges in Miss Brown's, take a bow. Yellows in Mrs. Weiss, take a bow. Greens in Miss Anzalone, take a bow. Blues in Mrs. Brooks, take a bow. Purples and Mrs. Oakley's, take a bow. And our blacks and whites and Miss Sturkey's, take a bow. All color factory workers, take a big bow. Big round of applause for kindergarten.
Congratulations, kindergarten! That was fabulous! I don't know what I enjoyed more, watching them or watching the looks on your faces, the smiles, and the pride that you were just shining towards the kids. I felt it too. That was beautiful singing, and you worked so hard. Mr. Pollock, thank you so much for helping the students prepare. And I wanted to say thank you to all the teachers too, but you go ahead, Mrs.
The kindergarten teachers appreciate Mr. Pollock and all of his hard work with our kiddos.
That's wonderful. Okay, I told you I would remind you about folding and stacking chairs and stopping by the lunchroom for the lost and found. And you may come up and get your children. And what's that? One member of the family come up and get your child. And please, we'd love to have them back here tomorrow.